I wanted to make one small glorification of Bhaktivedanta Swami Charan, because we're hearing, time to time, we're hearing Prabhupada's commentaries on these 10th canto verses, which have been gleaned from the Krishna book. They're easy to find there. So when I was concluding yesterday, which I forgot to mention, Prabhupada's commentary on yesterday's verse about asking the different trees, he said that, this is chapter 30, verse 6, the Braja Gopis were aware of the reason for Krishna's sudden disappearance. They could understand that when they were enjoying Krishna, they thought themselves to be the most fortunate. Interesting, Prabhupada says, when they were enjoying Krishna, because our general angle of vision is they're enjoyed by Krishna, Purusha and Prakriti. But of course, being enjoyed by Krishna means you also enjoy being enjoyed by Krishna. And it's such enjoyment that Krishna becomes amazed. How is it that my Sevites and my servitors like Radharani, my beloved Radharani, I'm enjoying immensely, unlimitedly, Purnatam Anand, Purna Anand, complete unlimited bliss in the association and in the intimacies and being with my beloved Priyaji Radharani. But I see that her happiness and her bliss is even greater than mine, and she's simply serving my every wish and whim and desire as the enjoyed, and I'm the enjoyer. So for that, to solve that mystery, Krishna appeared as Mahaprabhu. That's one of the reasons. What is it? The sukha, the happiness that she feels by pleasing me and serving me. But since they were feeling proud, Krishna disappeared immediately to curb the pride. So I made a small point of glorification of Prabhupada that, which I'll read. So this is Prabhupada's commenting on the verse, chapter 30, verse number 6, about the gopis, and Krishna disappeared because of their pride. And then he says, then Prabhupada takes this lila of 5,000 years ago of the gopis, very high, intimate lila, ras lila, then he brings it to the everyday rank and file, you and me devotee. He says, Krishna, Prabhupada says, Bhaktivedanta Swami Charan says, Krishna does not like his devotees to be proud of their service to him. Krishna accepts everyone's service, but he does not like one devotee to be prouder than another devotee. If sometimes there are such feelings within a devotee that he feels, I'm a Sankirtan devotee, or I'm a big devotee. You're already washing pots, you new bhakta. If such feelings come inside a devotee, Krishna ends them. He ends those feelings by changing his attitude toward the devotee. As you see, Prabhupada is using the word attitude, abhiman, mentality, way of thinking, way of feeling. Because your way of thinking and your way of feeling is a way of seeing and the way of speaking. The way you think about yourself and others, and the way you feel about yourself and others, is the way you see others, and the way you treat others, and the way you speak to others. So that foundational point, beginning point of our social intercourse in this world with others is based on attitude. And the whole idea of Bhakti Bhajan is a reformation and transformation and elevation of one's attitude. Bhava Grahi Janardan. Bhava Grahi Janardan means that Janardan, Ardan means worship. That personality, that jana, that personality is worshipable and worshipable and worshipped by everyone, all over the universe and all over creation. Krishna, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Bhava Grahi Janardan. Grahi means the sar, the essence. Krishna accepts the essence of the bhakta. It's not about money, it's not about tapa, it's not about sankhya. It's not about, sankhya means 3 million rounds and one chickpea a day, all these things. It's about bhav. Bhav you are, bhav you become, and bhav is tested at the time of death. So it's about the bhav of devotion, attitude.